In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Revvl 4, 4 Plus, or 5G so you can use it with any carrier. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to walk you through how to unlock your Revvl 4, 4 Plus, or 5G so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the phone app and you're going to type in *#06#. That's going to show us our IMEI. Make sure you write down this first number. You will need it later on in the video. Next, we're going to go to Google Chrome and we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. First is going to be manufacturer, which will be Revvl, and then the model. So select the appropriate model. In this video, we're doing the Revvl 4, 4 Plus, and 5G, but let's tap Revvl 4. Tap unlock now. It's going to then ask you some questions about where you purchased the phone. Tap on country, tap United States, carrier, T-Mobile, tap next. On the very last screen, it will ask you to input that IMEI that we just got in the first step of the video. So enter your IMEI here, your full name, your email address where you want your instructions sent, and also a contact phone number. The cool thing is you always get a discount on this website. So normally it'll be $89, but you get it for $74. And this is the average turnaround time to get a response with your unlocking instructions. Now here's the thing, when you unlock phones, the process does change from time to time. So what we like to show in this video is how to get to the website. Also, when you finally get your instructions, one thing you'll need to do is to restart the phone, and you'll need to put in the SIM card of the new carrier you want to use the phone with. So I have a SIM card right here. You're gonna find the SIM tray, which is on the left side of the phone right here. Use the little pen tool you found in the box of the phone, or a paper clip, but just be careful. Push to pop out the SIM tray, and you're gonna take out this tray, take out the old SIM card, and you're gonna put in your new SIM card and then restart the phone. The rest of the instructions you will find in your confirmation email. They're gonna send you an email with the final steps you need to take to finish unlocking the phone. As I mentioned before, the process to unlock the phones does change from time to time, so it's important that you wait for that email for the final steps on how to get the phone unlocked. One important note I wanted to mention is that theunlockingcompany.com is one of the most reputable sites that I've used for unlocking phones. They do have a phone number at the top you can call if you run into any problems. They also have a number you can text, and during the day, they usually have a live web support where you can connect with someone and get help that way as well. So you have a few different options to go through to get support in the event you're having trouble unlocking your phone. The best thing though is you always have someone to connect with to help you get it done. If you can't unlock the phone, you can always get a full refund from the company. So hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.